Welcome back to Botbusters. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and its potential to help you achieve financial success. We'll be exploring 7 AI apps that have the capacity to transform your wealth. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, let's get started. App 1. Stock Market Analysis. Our first AI app is Exness Go, a well-established platform designed to provide comprehensive stock market analysis using cutting-edge algorithms. By leveraging historical data, market trends, and sentiment analysis, Exness Go can help you make more informed investment decisions, potentially leading to higher returns on your investments. App 2. Personal Finance Management. Next up is Metric, an AI-powered personal finance assistant that simplifies the process of managing your expenses, savings, and investments. With features like automated expense tracking and customized financial plans, Metric ensures you have a clear picture of your financial health and goals. App 3. Real Estate Investment. For those interested in real estate investment, apps like Zillow can be incredibly valuable. Zillow leverages AI to analyze property market data, local trends, and economic indicators, aiding in identifying promising real estate opportunities that align with your investment strategy. App 4. Forex Trading. If you're exploring the foreign exchange market, consider platforms like MetaTrader 4MT4 and MetaTrader 5MT5. These apps utilize predictive analytics and real-time insights to help you navigate the complexities of forex trading with more confidence. App 5. Cryptocurrency Analysis. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts might find CoinMarketCap to be an essential tool. CoinMarketCap employs AI to analyze blockchain data, market sentiment, and news, providing valuable insights into the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies. App 6. Robo-advisors. When it comes to wealth management, robo-advisors like Wealthfront can be game changers. These platforms create personalized investment portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals, optimizing your investments for potential returns. App 7. Freelance Management. Finally, if you're a freelancer or entrepreneur, platforms like Upwork and Freelancer offer AI-driven tools that help you set competitive prices for your services. These apps analyze job postings, industry trends, and your skills, allowing you to find lucrative projects that match your expertise. Remember, while these apps offer valuable features and insights, it's essential to conduct your own research, understand the app's functionality, and consider seeking professional advice before making any financial decisions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and also subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting content.